Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss about the anatomy of fibula. The fibula or calf bone is a leg bone on the lateral side of the tibia, to which is connected above and below. Unlike the tibia, the fibula is not weight-bearing bones. Its main function is to combine with the tibia and provide stability to the ankle joint. The distal end of the fibula has several grooves for the ligament attachment which them stabilize and provide leverage during the ankle movement. The distal end of the fibula forms the lateral malleus which articulates with the lateral tarsus, creating a part of the lateral angle. The posterior and lateral tibia form the posterior and medial malleus respectively. Thank you, and I hope this video will be useful for you.